Ladies and gentlemen, here's the moment of truth. So let's see how we did. I felt confident on the math, but you never know. You can always make silly mistakes. I always get really excited for this, even though I'm not applying for college. And it's just, I just get excited. What can I say? It's a score and it's kind of like a competition with myself. So here we go. What's up, guys? Good morning. This is the day of the SAT. It's October 6, 2018, so it's test day. And as promised, I'm going to be vlogging this entire experience. Okay, so here's what we're doing on the morning of. I'm making sure that I've got everything, all my ducks in a row. So if you see here, I got both my calculators right here, got my ticket here. This is super important. In my wallet, I got my photo ID, so 2 pencils right here, both sharpened. And in case anything goes wrong, I got a sharpener right here as well. Snack, very simple, banana. I got my tea, and then right here, you can see this is my breakfast. Now, when we're talking about food for the morning of, we want something that's simple, healthy, and a lot of your basic nutrients. Now, I'm on a specific diet, so I can't eat what I would normally eat, which would just be eggs. Nice protein, no sugar, to have a constant slow burn. But because of my limitations, I can only eat this type of ground turkey meat, and then I've got broccoli and a little bit of rice. I normally wouldn't even eat rice, but because of the strictures of my diet, I have to do it. So I'm gonna eat, get ready, and I'm gonna head out the door. Next thing, the SAT test center. I'm gonna shoot to get there a nice 20 minutes early. All right, let's do it. All right, let's do it. Ooh. All right, so I just finished taking the full-length SAT, and it was cool, it was interesting. Let me talk about all the different sections. First of all, the reading and the writing, like I said, I didn't really prepare, but I just kind of took them. I felt all right. I felt pretty good on both of them. There was one question on each section that I kind of guessed on that I wasn't totally sure about. The math was great. I felt like I crushed the math. The non-calculator section, I actually finished my first pass through in 10 minutes out of 25, which was pretty cool. And then I used the extra time to go over it 2 more times. The calculator section, I finished like 20 minutes early, so that felt really good. And then there was an experimental math section. So barring no really bad mistakes, I should be pretty good on the math, but you never know, we'll see what happens. So overall, I feel really good, and that was fun and exhausting. And I got a full day of tutoring ahead, and we'll see how that goes. But anyways, we'll see what happens on the score. Let's see. Last time I got a 1540, it was a 800 on the math and a 740 on the verbal. So let's see. What? I didn't get a perfect on the math. All right, well, darn it. I got something wrong. All right, so that's a little disappointing because I was pretty confident I got it perfect on the math. My verbal went up by 10 points. So let's see. Darn it. Yeah, so he's laughing at me. Ladies and gentlemen, that is it for my SAT vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys learned something and found it a little bit entertaining as well. Now, the most important thing that I want you to grab from this video is a good understanding of how you should approach test day.
when it comes time for you to take the SAT. Make sure you have everything you need to go into the test center. You get there early, but most importantly, you have a calm and steady mindset. Do your preparation, and then when test day comes, let all of your anxiety go. That's it, and I wish you all the best of luck. Take it easy.